Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am unboxing two items from Gucci with you guys. Before we move on guys, please don't mind the wrapping. The item has already been unboxed, but I still wanted to share it with you guys. So for the first item, I got the Gucci GG Marmont reversible belt in beige and ebony GG Supreme canvas in one side and brown leather on the other. As you can see in the image, I was just trying to show you how you can reverse the double G buckle. For this one, I got the Ophidia GG small shoulder bag in the GG Supreme prints. This bag is gorgeous. I love it. It's literally love at first sight. J'adore. So the bag opened through a magnet closure. This is inside the bag. It has two compartments and one side pocket that you will see in a moment. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Bye bye, au revoir.